Down in Walla Walla, the fresh produce brings in wine lovers from around the world. And you can't have great wine without having a great meal to go along with it. Here at TMacs, they're using the amazing bounty of the region to create fantastic meals for guests. With a combination of great food, great wine, and great atmosphere, they're getting some rave reviews.
TMacs is like a city restaurant, but with a hometown feeling.
It kind of feels like you're coming into someone's house.
Like going home to grandma's.
I want everyone to feel welcome. I want everyone to feel like they don't need to dress up or they can dress down. I want them to feel like they're at home. They're in my home. This is my home.
Tom Macaroni is the co-owner of TMacs. His greatest joy is serving his guests amazing food.
When I started this business, I would entertain at my home because I love cooking, and I would have friends over, and I would have different groups of friends that didn't really know each other, but by the end of the night they were swapping phone numbers and wanting to hang out again. Unfortunately, my friends often tell me that they're angry with me because they don't have to pay for what I used to do for free. So
Beautiful. You can come here dressed up, or you can come here wearing jeans and know that you're going to get great food and a great cocktail, a great glass of wine.
The service is really attentive. The food is delicious. It's a very comfortable place to be.
Don't miss later in the show when TMacs co-owner and chef Jose and I make beef tenderloin with Walla Walla spring onions.
Gonna totally destroy this, but I want to eat it.